Hello friends of Trade Ideas. We're approaching Power Hour and your friendly neighborhood CEOs coming in to show you how I'm approaching today. It's a nice bullish day, a little turnaround. We don't know if it'll last, but it doesn't really matter because we have the technology to take advantage of this move no matter what happens. And I'm showing you how I do it visually. I adjust orders on the fly so I can let things come to me, or I can trade a breakout. And I just go through the strength. Okay, and I get notified instantly when a trade goes off. So I'm focused on the strength, and you can see I've been applying the same concept over and over. Okay, here's another one. So here I can just go on the daily and I can click right here. And what this means is that I don't need to wait for it to do anything. I want it to really break out. So I put it a little higher. It's okay, I don't need the 20 cents. And I can just move it up, grab the buy order, put it anywhere I want. So here I'm going to put it above that candle at that price level. And so I'm continuously watching, and of course the software is instantly letting me know what's strong, and I'm already in it. Do you see what I'm saying? This is the difference between what I do and our approach of Trade Ideas versus virtually every other vendor in fintech, and why you must have, this is the must-have tech. It's just fairly new, kind of like level 2 was in 1990, but by 95 everybody had it. So this is the same thing. You're going to want to have this, and I'm showing it to you early. Please like and subscribe to Trade Ideas on all social media, and hit the notification bells when you see new information from us. Thank you.